Around here, I wonder what I might do for Thanksgiving dinner in Hawaii. Well, in Waikiki, there's this restaurant here called the Oceanarium. You see it is named for its atmosphere, which includes very, very large. Heck of a time trying to get the camera to focus in on some of that stuff from the upper deck now looking down. You can see some of it. This includes stingrays and other types of fish. You see a scuba diver in there once in a while feeding the fish. At an open buffet, which included lots of good food, lots of pork roast and catch of the day, and salmon, one of my favorites. And since it's Thanksgiving, we even had some roast turkey with stuffing and mashed potatoes and cranberries. And here's a stingray. Let's see if we can get them over here.